വെൽക്കം ടു എഡീന അക്കാഡമി. എഡീന അക്കാഡമിയുടെ പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഡിഫൻസ് റിസർച്ച് ആൻഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെന്റ് ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ DRDO റിക്രൂട്ട്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് അസസ്മെന്റ് സെന്റർ RIC, ലക്നൗ റോഡ്, ഡൽഹി. Recruitment of project scientists on contractual basis for DRDO Hyderabad. Closing date 1st April 2025, 16 hours. In pursuit of self-reliance in critical technologies relevant to national security, DRDO formulates and executive programs of scientific research, design, development, testing, and evaluating of various systems, subsystems, devices, and products required for defense of the nation. DRDO invites application from highly qualified and competent technologists for tenure-based engagement purely on contract basis as project scientists for program of DRDO. Initially, the contract will be till 18th April 2027, which may be extended depending upon performance of project scientist and if the requirement exists. RIC invites online recruitment application through RIC website ric.gov.in for the following post of project scientist in DRDO. Project scientist, if consolidated pay per month 2,20,070, 2,20,770, one vacancy. Number of vacancies, one computer science and subject disciplines, some computer science and engineering. Qualification essential, at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent. Minimum 10 years of working experience in the design and development of application software with scripting language like Python, Perl, or Bash, programming languages C or C++. Desirable master degree in relevant discipline. Minimum 3-year experience in project management, design and development of application software for airborne space systems. Experience in handling networking infrastructure, interfacing of encryptors. Project scientist, consolidated pay per month rupees 1,24,612. 10 vacancies. Number of vacancies 10. Subject or discipline electronics and communication engineering. Qualification essential, at least first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent. Minimum 5 years of experience in design, development and testing of electronics or RF system subsystem. Experience in handling test and measurement equipment like signal generators, spectrum analysis and network analysis. Desirable master degree in relevant discipline. Experience in small satellite subsystems, design, integration, testing. Experience in project management, good knowledge and experience in the development of signal processing algorithms using MATLAB, Simulink. Project scientist C, consolidated pay per month 1 lakh 80,073. 7 vacancies. Number of vacancies 7 ആണ്. ഇലക്ട്രോണിക്സ് ആൻഡ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ആണ് ഡിസിപ്ലിൻ. എസെൻഷ്യൽ ക്വാളിഫിക്കേഷൻ വരുന്നത് അറ്റ്ലീസ്റ്റ് ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ് ബാച്ചിലർ ഡിഗ്രി ഇൻ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗ് ഓർ ടെക്നോളജി ഫ്രം എ recognized university or equivalent. Minimum 3 years of working experience in the design, development and testing of electronics, RF systems, subsystems. Desirable experience in handling, test, measurement equipment like signal generator, spectrum analysis, and network analysis. Design, development, assembly, integration and testing, detail, RF communication system. Proficiency in MATLAB, Simulink programming. Project scientist B, consultative pay per month 90,789. 2 vacancies. Unreserved on SC1. Electronics and communication engineering qualification at least first class degree, first class bachelor degree in engineering or technology from a recognized university or equivalent. Desirable, valid, get score. Star marks post are the ones in which candidate from all Divangan and PWD categories except visually impaired can apply. Remaining posts are the ones in which candidate from specific categories Divyang, PWD, candidate with asset attack victims and dwarfism or only can apply. Equivalent acceptable subjects are provided in the table below for your reference. Electronics and communication engineering equivalent acceptable subject is of essential qualification. Applied electronics and instrumentation engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, electrical engineering, electrical with communication engineering, electronics and communication engineering, avionics, electronics and communication system engineering, electronics and computer engineering, electronics and control engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, electronics and telematics engineering, electronics and electrical communication engineering, industrial electronics engineering, radio, physics and electronics, telecommunication and information technology, telecommunication engineering, electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering, any other relevant discipline with a qualifying degree which mentions electronics as the main discipline. Computer science and engineering equivalent qualification. On computer and communication engineering, computer networking, computer science and automation engineering or technology, information technology, computer science and engineering or technology, computer science and system engineering, computer science and engineering and info tech, computer science and engineering or technology, computer science, technology and informatics engineering or technology, information science and engineering or technology, software engineering technology, information technology and mathematical innovations. Any other relevant discipline with a qualifying degree which mentions computer science as the main discipline. Online submission of application. As described above, for different posts, the application should ensure that they satisfies the eligibility criteria in respect of age, essential qualification, experience as on the closing date of advertisement, that is 1st April 2025, 16 hours. date of determining the eligibility of all candidates in every respect shall be prescribed closing date. ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡേറ്റ് വരുന്നത് ഏപ്രിൽ 1 തീയതിയാണ്. 1 തീയതി 16 മണി വരെയേ ഉള്ളൂ. അതിന് മുമ്പായിട്ട് അപേക്ഷ സമർപ്പിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. കാൻഡിഡേറ്റ് ഓൺലൈൻ രജിസ്ട്രേഷൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക, അതിനുശേഷം അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുക. Candidates are required to first register online at the RIC website ric.gov.in before closing date to avoid last minute network congestion. On successful registration, the candidate may apply or fill the application form online separately for each post. Applicants are advised not to change their registered mobile number or email as vital information regarding their shortlisting or selection structure will be intimated through email or SMS. Applicants are advised to fill or upload documents for all the particulars carefully in the online application. No correction in the data application will be allowed and no document will be accepted once their application is finally submitted or locked. Candidates are advised to keep visiting RIC website https://ric.gov.in their eligibility status upon their login. Dispute, if any, will be subject to the courts or tribunal having jurisdiction over Delhi only. Candidate will have to produce all certificates in original for verification at the time of interview if and when called for. Candidates are also advised to retain printout or copy of the online application or PDF format after submission. Incomplete application will be summarily rejected. Eligibility for requirements of post. Academic requirements: candidates should possess first class degree in engineering or technology. Certificate awarded by recognized university or country. Qualification and experience must have documentary proof for establishing the fact. Weightage for higher qualification will be based on following conditions: postgraduate qualification engineering 2 years of weightage, doctorate degree in engineering 4 years of weightage. Age limit for candidates as on closing date of advertisement. Project Scientist F not exceeding 55 years. Project Scientist D not exceeding 45 years. Project Scientist C not exceeding 40 years. Project Scientist B not exceeding 35 years. Relaxation in upper age limits as per government rules. Up to 10 years for Divyang PWD candidates. Upper age limit relaxer up to 5 years serving civilian central government employees on regular basis. Upper age limit relaxable ex-serviceman including age relaxation as per Government of India rules. Reserved categories is allowed for those posts only whenever category reservation is applicable. According to age relaxation against reserved category is applicable to item number 4. Project Scientist B post only. Maximum age shall not be exceeded 56 years including any of the age relaxation mentioned below. Nationality: only Indian national can apply. Only Indian national can apply. Application fee and mode of payment. General, OBC and EWS male candidates are required to pay a non-refundable, non-transferable application fee of rupees 100 only, payable online only. There is no application fee for SC/ST, Divyang and women candidates. Screening and shortlisting details കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. For one post, up to 24 candidates only. For 2 to 3 posts, 48 candidates only. 4 to 6 posts, 72 candidates only. 7 to 9 posts, 96 candidates only. 10 posts and above, up to 100 candidates or above 10 times of the number of posts. Predefined ratio for candidates to be called for preliminary online interview if applicable. Selection process. The minimum qualifying mark required for the candidate in the personal interview for consideration for selection are 75% for all unreserved vacancies and 60% for all reserved vacancies. Closing date 1st April 2025. ഡോക്യുമെന്റ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യേണ്ട എല്ലാം പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഫോട്ടോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. മെട്രിക്കുലേഷൻ സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റിന്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട് കോപ്പി അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. സിഗ്നേച്ചർ അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഫോട്ടോയും അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. അതുപോലെ ഡിഗ്രിയുടെ എല്ലാ ക്വാളിഫിക്കേഷൻ്റെ എല്ലാ മാർക്ക് ഷീറ്റും എല്ലാം സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റും അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റും അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യണം. ഡൗട്ട് എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള നമ്പർ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിലേക്ക് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇമെയിൽ അഡ്രസ്സിലേക്ക് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുക. കോൺടാക്ട് ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് എല്ലാം കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അതിലേക്ക് ഡൗട്ട് ഉള്ളവർ കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യും. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ ചാനൽ. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ് മൈ വീഡിയോസ്. എഡീനായ അക്കാഡമിയുടെ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാതാണ് ചാനൽ കാണുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഒപ്പം ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ പ്രസ് ചെയ്യുക. പുതിയ വീഡിയോസ് അപ്ലോഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ തന്നെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതാണ്. അഭിപ്രായങ്ങളും നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങളും ഡൗട്ടുകളും കമൻ്റായി രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. ചാനൽ വീഡിയോസ് ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഒപ്പം ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. ചാനൽ ലിങ്കും ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് കൊടുക്കുക. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.